Now, you mentioned that employers get this process wrong a lot. Um, do you have any, and I'm not asking you to comment necessarily specifically on this employer, but just generally, why did they get it wrong?
Because I think there's some sort of view of if the person's not here, if a person needs a leave, they're a leave of absence because of a medical condition, or a person gets special treatment in the workplace that others don't get. There's just there's it's kind of petty in a way because the person is getting that special, if you want to call it special treatment, or that reasonable accommodation because of their disability, to kind of make things equal for them to work in the workplace. And yet there can be times that there's resentment, and there can be times where, I mean, especially when it's dealing with medical leave, where, look, as an employer, I mean, I run an office. As an employer, you want your people to be there working. And if they're not working, then the people say things, but I think it's one of those things where people have to rise above those sort of petty immediate reactions of where is she, or where is he, he's not here at work, and really understand that the laws are there to protect all of us, because anyone can be disabled at some point in their life. So while at one point you might say, oh, that's not fair, they're getting this and I don't get it, we really need to take a broader view and look out for one another. And disability laws, which were signed in on the federal level by Republican George Bush, and everyone heralded it, disability laws really are designed to level the playing field for individuals with disabilities and allow them to thrive in the workplace. So it really should be seen as a good thing, but unfortunately people take it as a burden to them, even when it's not much of one, and they just don't follow the law in their treatment of their employees all the